What's up, guys? In this episode we're going to be working on Chevelle. We're going to do a quick time-lapse video of getting the front clip all bolted in and bolted up, minus the hood, because we shipped the hood hinges off to have them sandblasted and get them powder coated from a buddy of ours. The weather is getting awesome in Nebraska. It's going to reach 70 degrees today, so it's going to be a good day. We're going to take this thing out. We're going to go beat on it. We're going to do some burnouts, and we might even find somebody to race. You're going to have to stick around to see for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell a friend, and leave a comment down below. We appreciate everything you guys do for us, and you're the reason we keep making these videos, so keep it up. Let's get to it. Alright, finally got the front clip on. That took longer than expected as usual, but time for the first fire up. Hasn't been started for a while. In neutral. All right, guys, that's going to be a wrap for this episode. Today was the absolute cherry on top for the last couple weeks of inner fenders, pulling the front clip off, the center console, and just having to repaint stuff and respray stuff, and then nothing working out. And you know how it goes. I don't need to tell you how hard it can be just to do the little finite things. So today was awesome. We went out and beat on this thing. The brakes finally started coming online with those new pads. They got bedded, so now this thing's a brake stand monster. My buddy John wanted to go out and play, so we went out and played this afternoon. And that thing is no slouch. That's a moderately built 455, and it's a torque monster. And it was fun. It was fun to go out and play with them. So yeah, we're gonna call that a wrap for this episode, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.